Hey, Appalachian Outdoors. I'm going to take a look at another little kit I've got set up. This one I keep in the wife's car. It's a little bag from Rothco. Just a cotton canvas bag. Seems to be pretty durable. It's got the metal buckles on it. Here, and here. No plastic buckles or zippers to mess up. Stitching seems to be alright. Again, this is just a kit that I keep in the trunk of the wife's vehicle. I like my kits and have several of them. I just figured I'd give you a look at this one. Open this up here. Inside the bag, see, plenty of room in there. Coleman single wall water bottle container I can boil water in, carry water, drinks. Basic first aid kit or boo-boo kit. It's a little protection from the bugs when we're out in the summertime. Here's insect repellent. Cheap power work gloves. Triangular bandage to go with the first aid kit. Just a cheap basic headlamp. I have to have something. Not fumble around the night there. Better than nothing. So there we go. Compression gauze. The first aid kit. Here's about 25 foot of 550 cord. Sharpie, right on anything. Road map of Tennessee and Kentucky, and both are the new 22, 23 maps. That's where I spend a lot of my time at. Between I live in Kentucky and I spend a lot of time in Tennessee. For my fixed blade, I have a stainless Moore Garberg. Body warmer, just a rag, use it for signaling or first aid or whatever you need it for. Just a little basic cheap poncho for shelter. Just had it rain pretty quick if you had to. Inside the bag. Front pocket, it does have two little Velcro front pockets. Keep a little roll of electrical tape. SE card, survival instructions on the back, some ground air signaling. A bottle of hand sanitizer, you can use it to help you get a fire going. Also for, well, what it is, hand sanitizer, get your hands cleaned up. Magnesium block, ferro rod and striker. Altoids 10 with a Ranger band. We have an emergency whistle. We have a lighter. Some tinder. This is some never dull polish. Takes a spark really easy. Jute twine, it's also good tinder. Some more band-aids. We have some matches, lint, piece of fat wood, and a paper towel. All can be used in aid of fire. kit that I keep in the wife's car. Nothing fancy, just a basic little kit. It's better than not having anything at all in there. May get you out of a pinch if you had to have it, or maybe if it's my commute to work and her commute to work is about a 30-minute drive, so about 25 miles or so. Man, a person could walk at, and this right here would help you get there and back if you had to. That's mainly what I intended it for. If I go on longer trips, I'll take one of my bigger bags along with this. It's more set up for the longer stuff, longer trips, more items, better items. But, that was a quick look at it. If you think you might be interested in me setting up one of these little kits, it won't be exactly like this. I'm thinking about doing a run of them, maybe throw another one together, and maybe locally here, if somebody's interested in one, I may put one together and set them up on. It'd be for sale, of course. I don't know what the price point would be yet. I have to check all that out. Still don't know yet. Still debating on it. But, let me know in the comments what you think. Give me a like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Appalachian Outdoors out, and God bless.